Electronics can be a daunting topic to navigate, especially for beginners. However, with the right resources and guidance, creating your own electronics projects can be both fun and rewarding. In this YouTube video, we will be breaking down electronics into easy to understand concepts, and showing you how to create your own DIY projects. The Specific DIY Project is a fantastic way to delve into the world of electronics and learn some basic circuitry skills. It's a beginner-friendly project that will not only enhance your understanding of electronics but also give you a tangible result to be proud of. To complete this project, we will be using a handful of common electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, LEDs, and a microcontroller. Troubleshooting tips. In case you encounter any issues along the way, here are some troubleshooting tips to help you out. Troubleshooting tips are essential when embarking on any DIY electronics project. It's common to encounter issues along the way, but with the right troubleshooting techniques, you can overcome them and continue with your project smoothly. Firstly, always double-check your connections. Loose or incorrect connections can often be the cause of many problems. Ensure that all wires are securely connected to the right terminal,